This is the new Mi Smart Band 6. Let's quickly open it. This is the Mi Band. Mi Smart Band 6 user manual. This appears to be the charger. USB Type A and then the magnetic pins on the other end. Let's look at the band itself next. This is the locking type of strap. These are the sensors at the back. So the watch itself, it's light and the quality of the strap is quite good. And it comes with the pin to kind of lock onto the wrist. Let's now take a look at the new feature introduced, which is the SPO2 function, which was missed out earlier. So it has started to measure. It's asking me to hold the screen upwards, and now it's showing the 100%. So we do need to wait for this arc here, which is going in a circle, and that forms the complete circle, after which the measurement is finalized. So it is showing 100% now, and pressing on it gives the definition of the blood oxygen saturation, and that's the pulse 85 that you see there. Let's take a look at the MiWear app. The MiWear app is the app using which we can look at the features of the Mi Band 6. So this is the home screen. It's showing the step count for the day, and then we have the calories burnt and any of the recent activities. So here you can see the details of the walk that I did in the morning, and there is also sleep tracking here, and in fact it shows the sleep divided into deep, light, the REM sleep, as well as if we have woken up it shows it as awake with the color coding. And here's the distribution of the sleep and also a breathing score. And using the Wear app, it is also possible to do various types of configurations onto the device. These are the settings. All the alerts can be configured here. We can also configure the phone to be unlocked via the device. So I've set the unlock to be yes. So if I lock the phone now and this actually unlocks and says unlocked via the Bluetooth device, which is the Mi Band Wear app. So there are various types of settings. There is the wrist preference, then the ability to raise to wake, and in fact the raise to wake can be configured to work only for a scheduled period of time, so that the band does not turn on while you are asleep if you just wear the band while sleeping as well. And there is a night mode as well, and the vibration settings. Now the other key feature on the band is the faces. So this is the one that's currently in use. So let me just show how this works. So we've got now it's synchronizing. Yes, so we got the different display for the band, and there are also multiple choices online. Yeah, so there you see it. Let's now take a look at how the charging works for the Mi Band 6. So what we get is a magnetic pin based charger and a USB type A. These are the magnetic pins, and these will fix onto the pins that you can see at the top. So these are the pins, and the magnet just latches onto it. Okay, let's now do a comparison between the various bands. This is the Mi Band 6, and then I have the Honor Watch ES, which is height wise almost the same but gives a whole lot of real estate, and there's also a physical button. So this is the Honor Watch ES, and then I also have the Honor Bands 6. So this also comes with a physical button on the right hand side. So these are the 3 bands. Now let's just compare the Mi Band 6 and the Honor Band 6. Height wise both are same, but the Honor Band provides a lot more real estate, and then as you drill down into these settings, it is much easier to kind of read and use and navigate through the menus. Now coming to the Mi Band 6, when we get into the next level of detailing, such as the settings screen, if I go to the settings, now the space between the menu items is reduced, and hence it is a lot more difficult to navigate the menus. Green.